In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Changing font style is one of fun ways to customize look of your OPPO device display. I tested it multiple times on this and many others, so I can assure you all of those fonts will work. Additionally, you don't need any app or trick to continue. Just go into settings and hit display and brightness over here. Now you need to scroll down a tiny bit to access font. Finally, you can select one of those font styles. Tap on the best one and check it out at the top. If you want, you can also adjust size and weight of it. And when you finished, hit apply to save your changes. So when I do that, I can see that style of my font has changed. But you can also go into an app called Theme Store. Tap on skip at the bottom right corner if you never used it before and sign in. After you sign in, select Home or Category and select Font Sections at the top. Then click on a perfect one for you and tap on Apply at the bottom. When you're ready, just go back. So when I do that, I can see that style of my font has changed again. If you want to access all of your font styles, or even check out if you want to pick something you downloaded before, you can choose Me at the bottom right corner of Theme Store app. And then tap on Downloads or My Resources. In My Resources section, you can tap on Fonts, see the one you downloaded, and tap on Apply if you want to go back to your default one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!